Hey guys, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to get the PayPal mod so you can actually get free money in your PayPal. So as you can see, I got 500 bucks right now, and in the mod, you can enable free money. Make sure that's enabled, and then have the anti-ban turned on, and you will be able to get free money. So I got $500 right now, so I'm going to show you guys how to get this onto your phone. So first thing we're going to do is go to our browser, and we're just going to go over to hexmods.com. So this is like a modded website, and they have the PayPal mod. So just type in PayPal and you're going to see it right there. So go ahead and press on it and then it will start to download. So you can actually get free PayPal money with this, but obviously guys, don't be an idiot. Be resourceful and don't add too much money or then you might get banned from PayPal. But we do have to do verification at the end, so we have to download 2 apps and complete the instructions. They're 100% free from official store. But you can see it says complete 2 free apps to finish installing. So just make sure you download 2 of these. I'm not sure which apps you're going to see, but these are the ones that show up for me. So I just press on it. It brings you to the store. I'm on an Android, so it brings me to the Play Store. But if you're on an iPhone, it will bring you to the App Store. So just make sure you get 2 of them, and then you're going to have the PayPal mod. You can get free money. So yeah, it's super cool, guys. So you can see anti-ban, all this stuff. So if you're interested in getting free money, you're going to love this because it actually works. It's pretty easy to download. Just make sure you go to settings and turn off any power saving mode you have. This can negatively impact it, but other than that, you should be good. So just make sure you download 2 of the apps. I'm not sure which ones you're going to see, but there is a video, so if you're really lost, you can probably just watch that video and be good to go. But that's how to get the PayPal mod for your phone so you can actually get free money. So yeah, it's super cool. So I'm going to see you later. But be sure to subscribe to the channel if you like stuff like this. This is so wild. And I was able to get unlimited money on PayPal, so that's pretty cool.